Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe, today presenting this Audi A3 1.6 TDI Sport Sportback. Finished in stylish black color and powered by a refined 1.6 liter diesel engine delivering 110 PS paired with smooth manual transmission, this A3 blends efficiency with everyday usability. At the front it showcases sharp Xenon headlights with LED daytime running lights, clean matte black radiator grille and sculpted sport bumper lines. It sits on 17-inch alloy wheels, offering balanced ride and adding a confident athletic stance to the car's appearance. And moving to the rear, you'll find a roof spoiler finished in body color with aerodynamic inserts along with neatly styled taillights. The boot provides generous everyday practicality with a wide opening and useful lashing points, ideal for shopping, luggage or weekend trips. And the 60/40 split folding rear seats add flexibility. In the back, passengers benefit from comfortable seating with ISOFIX mounting points, good legroom and headroom, and thoughtful features like rear electric windows and quality interior materials. Up front, the sport seats offer supportive comfort with manual adjustment paired with aluminium interior elements for clean cabin aesthetic. The dashboard layout is classic Audi, focused, uncluttered and neatly organized. The 3-spoke leather multifunctional sport steering wheel offers controls for audiophone and driver information functions, and ahead of you is the color driver information system displaying key driving data clearly. One offers dual-zone electronic climate control, an infotainment system offering clear audio playback through 8-speaker system, as well as telephone connectivity thanks to Bluetooth interface for hands-free calls and Audi smartphone interface for full smartphone integration. You also get Audi Connect, which includes infotainment services such as online information, SD card-based MMI navigation, and car menu allowing you to access vehicle settings and information, as well as Audi Drive Select to choose driving modes. You also get feedback from the parking sensors. This has been a presentation of the Audi A3 1.6 TDI Sport Sportback, now available at Multifunction Crewe. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.